I'm Cami at Nixa Seed and Hardware, and I'm talking to Pete about gardens. What's going on early garden season right now?
Most people are looking forward to getting out and about. Sun's coming out, they want to get out while but it's still a little cool, so you got to watch what you plant because there is chances of frost clear into May. So what you want to do is plant early season garden, broccoli, cabbage, kale, spinach, lettuce, anything like that. If you were to get a frost on anything, you want to get up real early in the morning, you see the frost on it, take a hose and wash it off real good.
It's not too late.
And it won't kill it.
Okay.
But if it dries on there, it'll take the leaves.
Okay.
And take your plant.
Okay, so does it matter right now if people are planting seeds or if they're actually buying little plants to put in the ground?
A lot of people, since it's still pretty cool, a lot of people will plant and use something like this, a peat pot. They'll put a little soil in there. They'll throw a couple of seeds in there. They'll let them start growing, and then they'll transplant them later on. We even have some like this where you can get multiple plants growing and just set them in a window box, something like that. Man, they'll take off and grow, and then you just pull them out and transplant them into your garden space.
You're making me excited just to talk about this because that means summer is coming, right?
Well, it really is. The key to them a lot of times is that you know where the food's coming from.
Yeah.
You know what pesticide, what herbs, anything that's been put on there, you know because you're the one that did it.
Yeah.
Plus, you know it's nice and fresh.
Yeah, I love it. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this.